Thank you. What's up, guys? Unfortunately, I forgot my pretty mask for photos, but I decided to go to Seven Dwarfs first because it's only like a 5-10 minute wait right now, and this one is going to be the more crowded one throughout the day. Still not bad, you know, 30-45 minutes, but might as well get it out of the way now because I've noticed Splash, Space, and Big Thunder have all been incredibly short waits throughout the past couple weeks.
VIP seat. Yeah. Stands for view is perfect of me. You're welcome. Welcome, my friends. Come on in. You're going to sit right there. Yeah, that's perfect. And don't be too jealous of the other seats, okay? They're actually all the same. Yeah, round and uncomfortable, so I hope that's what she looks forward to. Well, we should make it out of there. And it looks like we have found ourselves in an ancient Indian elephant bathing pool. You know, okay, so fun fact for you about elephants real quick. They actually have one of the best memories in the world. Oh, I just wish I had that memory. It would help with the job, you know? Oh, and people do like to ask, is that water coming out of their trunks? But honestly, it's okay. We let them sort of just do their thing, and then we go on by and hope for the best. Now, if you look up at those trees on... Oh, no! In the back of that, so sorry, get out, I'm kidding! Oh, come on. That was dry humor. You're welcome. Anyways, if you look up at the trees on either side, those plants are called a hibiscus. Now, on the ground is the low viscus, in the water's a sea viscus, and back there you can't see it. That's nutty viscus, okay? We're moving on.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Hey there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking.
no dividers in this line. So they do split it as a 6-foot radius, just like Universal is doing, where you alternate left and right, so no one's standing next to each other. Great job, Disney. So that'll do it for Magic Kingdom today. I'm gonna head out. There's no need for me to stay now that reservations are much more available. I got a present. This time we're gonna take the monorail back.